Hey friends, if you encounter high CPU usage but nothing running in Task Manager, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart your computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out, and then select restart. The next solution is to check for updates. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the Windows Update tab, wait for it to load, go to advanced options, go to optional updates, install all the optional updates, return to the Windows Update page, and then check for updates. The next solution is to run a malware scan. So search for MRT in the Windows search bar and then go to the malware removal tool. It needs a few seconds to load this tool, it's a little slow. Click on next, choose full scan, click on next, and let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.